Welcome traders to the full market analysis for the 13th of December. Hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Fantastic move on gold. Congratulations whoever got that. And we'll go through the markets now. We're long Euro Canadian just on this. It just happens to be on this. So parabolic trends are the answer to your prayers, and they make a lot of money, especially if I'm going to show you this now. So we see all the buys in on the left on the daily chart. All right, the price cycle is not ideal, but it's strong trend. And we can see that the price is, the market structure is up. Green for buy, red for sell. So let me take you to the 30-minute chart on the same chart using the gold on steroids, GOS system. Okay, so everything's green for a buy. So it coincides with the daily, the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour, blah, 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 down the line to the 30-minute. And we had a break of structure this morning. So whether this works or not, it doesn't really matter. But it's working. We're making money. We've got a target 2 to 1 up to somewhere up there, 150.17. So that's how it works. So you can use the same system on the same charts once you have all the systems and all the charts on your screen. All right, so if you don't have the charts on your screen and you're trading blind, why do you want to trade blind? I just don't get it. Anyway, each to their own. We can see that the US dollar index now is in a parabolic trend. This is gone green. So this is long. We expect stronger dollar coming into this week and next week. Now there is a bit of a stumbling block. As you can see, there is an order block here, a supply zone, but it's not really been tested. And we do have a strong wave 4 coming in, an Elliott wave 4, which is very strong usually. And the price cycle is very low. So this could just break through that supply zone quite easily. So stronger dollar is the order of the day. Don't forget that I will be doing the weekly Forex forecast the weekend. Once the markets are closed, of course, we'll have more information. We'll be able to predict which ones we'll be looking at into next week. Now the yen futures have gone mixed a little bit. It's come up and it's come down. It's not really quite sure yet what it wants to do. So we're going to have to wait for the yens, unfortunately. The pound yen is the only one that is parabolic. So as this moves down, as it should, market structure is to the downside, as you can see, red for sell. But it won't take long for all the sellers to come in, will it? As you can see, there's one dot there, which indicates there's some buyers coming in today. But at the end of the day, I think we're going to see continued weakness, but we'll have to wait and see into Monday. Swiss franc futures, well, I mentioned this yesterday, didn't I? It's come into a demand zone here, double bottom. So this could easily go up, and therefore we'll be selling the Swiss franc. So again, the Swiss franc pairs are, we've got one New Zealand Swiss, which is making money, but it's not parabolic to the upside. This is a short-term trade to the upside up to here. So we're going to have to wait and see on the Swiss franc pairs. In terms of the indices, the only two indices or three indices that are trending is the German DAX, continuing up into a possible wave 5, but I'm never convinced of wave 5 exhaustion phases until they come into an ABC pattern. So I would ignore the wave 5 for now. This is continuing up. You can just simply trail this green line. If you've got the charts, just trail the green line until you get stopped out. It's great fun. Nasdaq is to the upside, and as we can see, wave 5 maybe, but possibly. I think that this could continue up into next week. So just trail the green line. Unusually, the Dow Jones is moving down. I don't know if it's going to be for very long. We can see that the market structure on the left is to the upside, achieving high lows and high highs. So this could be simply a correction into this support zone. Have to wait and see. But I've got it down as parabolic, and we would have a target here of 42.314. Because the DXY is mixed, you're going to find that all the dollar pairs are going to be mixed. We won't be trading them today. It's absolutely pointless, and until you get clarity in terms of direction of the DXY. And we do have a stronger dollar, which will drive these prices down, but I need to see that the Aussie dollar is not going to bounce off this demand area. That's really important. So again, there are better trades around, but not the dollar pairs. New Zealand USD doing exactly the same, but there is more room for this to move down. So if we're going to trade it, we will be trading it on the lower time frame and getting the breakout on the 30-minute chart. US Swiss, congratulations if you are in it. I'll just cover this one a little bit more detail. This is going up to the supply zone 89.89. And I did put a target up here, so if you're still in it, then congratulations, you're making a load of money. Well done. What we can do now, we can just go down to the 30-minute chart on the US Swiss just for a bit of fun, just to see what's going on. So there was the trade in the short term, the day trade if you like. Nice buy signal at 8:30 this morning. We had that and we made a few quid on that pull up here. Now it's gone mixed now. Friday afternoon, volume's getting lighter. So, you know, take your profits. Why not? US yen is parabolic to the upside. Weaker yen futures, stronger dollar. DXY indicates further upside momentum is likely. We can go down to the 30-minute chart, see what's going on, have a quick shifty. There we go. There's your breakout there. This was on the 11th of December. So a nice pull up there. So it's not actually doing much. You wouldn't have actually made much money so far, but a nice move nonetheless. Euro Aussie I've got as parabolic to the upside. I'm not convinced of this, to be honest. We do have a downtrend into supply, so I think this is not one that I'm going to be interested in. I'm going to switch this one off. I may be looking at a short term. Euro Canadian to the upside. This is a better trade. You can see it's not into supply, so we do expect this price to continue up. And I did show you this earlier. We expect it to go to 150 in the next few hours or the next few days. Doesn't really matter. If you're trading Euro Canadian, don't trade the Pound Canadian. They do the same thing. The Pound Canadian doesn't look as good. I mentioned this earlier in the VIP room. This is a into supply zone. So actually we have an ABC pattern as well. So we have an exhaustion phase wave 5, we have a head and shoulders, and we have an ABC pattern. This is going down, folks, and I'll be dealing this on Sunday. So we've got a target 173.57. I am looking for a breakdown in this price. New Zealand Canadian to the downside. There we go. If you're still in it, congratulations. Heading for 81.15. Could come in a bit. Oh no, there it is. Yeah, so that coincides with the demand area on the left. Aussie Canadian, don't trade both, please. Aussie Canadian doesn't look as good, does it? The fact that it's sitting on demand indicates that the pricing may even bounce, so this is not one that should be switched on at all. Euro New Zealand to the upside. Congratulations if you are in it. We do have positions going higher. We have a parabolic trend. Price cycle is okay. Demand area up here, so we can actually move that target up there a little bit, can't we? Small position, but nonetheless it looks good. Pound New Zealand, again, don't trade both. You double your risk if you trade both, so it's pointless. Choose one that looks better than the other, and therefore you'll be much more highly profitable if it does come in. Aussie New Zealand, yeah, all this looks nice. We just had a breakout, so that's good. Had a change of character after the pullback, so we do expect this to go higher. It's in a wave 5, but you could find it pulls back up to 11102. Euro Swiss, congratulations if you're in it. It's bounced off that demand. Oh, it is parabolic. There you go. But moving up to this supply area, so I'm not interested in this today. But I'll keep it as parabolic. Now this was an unusual trade in that we suspected that this price would bounce up from here, and we're making money. So at the end of the day, this is not ideal. This is not what I'd be looking for. But let's go down to this is the 30-minute chart. So this is the breakout here, and we've got it a bit late, but nonetheless it's still making money. So we can actually move our stop to the bottom of that area there. So there's minimized risk there. So if it doesn't come in, it doesn't matter at all. Let's go to the pound yen from the long-term charts on the advanced pro charts. And we can see, if you want the advanced pro charts, they're still available. It's up to you. I'm not bothered. But you'll get to confirm what is buying, what is selling, long-term, short-term, and you get the gold on steroids, you get the price action charts, the whole shebang. And we can see that the price is starting to move up, but hesitating a little bit, but definitely a parabolic trend. This is going to be driven by weaker yen futures into next week. So don't forget, I'll be doing the weekly Forex forecast. Let's have a quick look at gold. I've just gone short again, gold. Doesn't look like it's doing much. Looks like it's heading for target in the next few hours or for the next few minutes. So I'll give you confirmation once it's hit 247 pips if it comes down into this area here. So a lot of fun, isn't it, when we get days like this and days like this and days like this and days like this. So I've just sent, oh, that wasn't right. Oh, maybe it did get triggered. I think it's 58. So we got an alert on 26.58. Not quite there, but you know, if you take 150, 200 pips out of the market, that's a good day. Have a great weekend.